Day in the life of a King Corso, pretending to be a ferocious guard dog that's constantly on duty. Until he hears the crinkling of the cheese bag. Ready and willing to clean any dish, anytime, all the time. Practices daily to improve the serious and fearless look. Then does this to prove how serious and fearless he really is. And this. You realize how silly they really are. The slobbery shoestrings are inevitable and will occur throughout the house. During car rides, the boss vibe comes out, and you begin to believe you were hired as their chauffeur. Daily tasks include appearing in the window unexpectedly under the impression that he's performing his guard dog duties. Really, it's to check if any food is being served that he might miss out on. Attempting to make friends with the cat. Which has yet to be successful. When that doesn't work, the swatting match begins. Then the chase. Sleeping positions and places are quite unique. A cushion or an arm rest is required. As well as an appointment to the chiropractor after the nap to get an alignment. Food and King Corso go hand in hand. If he goes missing, he will be found in the kitchen waiting for the next meal or treat. Guilt-trip stares when humans are consuming food are a must. Taking over the office chair since the dog beds are not good enough.